Hey you guys, how's everybody doing today? I'm glad you could join me. For today's video, I'm going to show you everything that came in my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it comes once a month, and it is $21, and it contains 5 full-size beauty products. So I'm going to open it, and we're going to get started. So for this month, the theme is Galaxy Glow. And that's what the little card that comes with it looks like. And it has all of the products on the back and what their retail price is. And Galaxy Glow, so it's probably going to be really shiny things, maybe some highlighters, who knows. They also included a 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com, so there must be a CoverFX product in here. So we'll start with that. This is FX Shimmervale. This is a pearlescent cream for the eyelids. And you can wear it other places if you'd like. It's supposed to last all day and not crease or transfer. So let's open it up and check out what color this is. Okay, so this reminds me a little bit of the Stila Magnificent Metals. This looks like a really nice light purple color. Looks so pretty, doesn't it? And again, all these are full-size products. And I'm going to swatch this. Got a little doe foot applicator, per usual. And that is what it looks like swatched. So that's cool. I will definitely use this. Alright, so that's the first item. The next thing is brushes. I'm excited. I love brushes. I feel like you could never have enough brushes. These are Crown. This is a 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. And this is what they look like. They definitely remind me of the Wet n Wild ones. These Wet n Wild ones. And they even have the little indentation right here. And so do these. Very, very similar design. So yeah, it was 2 or 3 months ago I received the Boxycharm box, and it came with this blush brush by Crown. So it's very similar to this also, just a different brush color. But yeah, so that's cool. I love brushes. So we have these 3. Let's see what they're for. These retail for $29.99, and you have a contour. These are meant to help contour your face. So you have the small brush that can be used for concealer and to highlight underneath the eyes. And then the medium-sized brush says it can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And then this bigger one is a powder brush that can be used to set everything in place. So awesome. I will definitely use these. The CoverFX Shimmering Veil, the liquid eyeshadow, that retails for $28, plus you have the 20% off in this box if you order on their website. Okay, so the third item included is this is by Vintage by Jessica Lebeskin. It's a smoky eye pencil in jet black. That's what the package looks like. It's just a eyeliner. Let's see how it feels. Oh, wow. I barely pressed and it drew on my hand, so that's really cool. Alright, so look, I'll barely even press and it draws. So this one can be really good. It's always fun to try eye pencils and find the ones that work really, really well. Now this is, not sure what this is. This is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I have never heard of this brand. This is Cosmic Glitter. I've never used a loose glitter either, so this might be something that you'd need glue for. This ultrafine loose cosmetic face and body glitter is fun, versatile, and extremely brilliant. Enhance your look with subtle touches of glitter or go all out with dynamic and intense glitter effects. Looks like it's like almost like a sky blue. Let's check it out. Okay, so it has like a little sifter there. Or not a sifter, yeah, whatever. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to swatch this if I can. I don't know how I'm going to swatch glitter. This is, okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what the glitter looks like. that is the glitter. Looks like it would go really good with this Cover FX eyeshadow. Very interesting. I have not played around with glitter, so it looks like I'm going to have to get some glitter glue if I want to try this out. And this retails for $15. Now last but not least, we have by Naked Cosmetics, very holographic little palette. Open it up. And holographic highlighter collection. All right. So it looks like you have 3 highlighters. These are very colorful, like unicorny, mermaid colors that I tend not to wear, but I think something like this is good to have in your collection. Maybe, you know, I would probably use this top row, maybe even the yellow. Blues and greens I don't tend to use. Rare occasion, maybe if I'm dressing up in costume or something for fun like that, like on Halloween, I don't know. But I do think these would be cool, like if I'm doing a purple look, you know, use the purple as an inner corner and brow bone highlight, or maybe just inner corner. Or like if I have a green eyeshadow look, maybe use the green as an inner corner highlight. So I think either way, these would be nice to have in your collection. I'm going to swatch them for you. So here's the 3 on the top row, and then there's the 3 on the bottom row, the green, blue, and yellow. So very cool. Once again, I am happy with my Boxycharm. This is by far my favorite beauty subscription box. I think for the price and what you get, it's a really great deal. It's really exciting to get it in the mail every month, open it up, and be surprised by these products that you might not go to a store and pick out for yourself, and then try new things and kind of step outside your box a little bit. So this is everything I have to show you in the Boxycharm this month. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have this box? Is it something you've been on the fence about? Are you thinking about signing up? Let me know. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.